made it.
Maverick, wait. Maverick, wait. Maverick, wait. Maverick, wait. Come on, let's go. Oh, wow, Manea. Look at the water tank. Look at the fish.
No, not for kids.
Come on, Manea. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's look at the animals. Look. Go find the sharks. No, we have to go wait for Daddy. Come on. Come on, Manea. Look, Manea, what is that up there? That's a big... No, that's a stingray. At the top. Is that a stingray?
So on the right side, they had the casino, shops, everything. And that's heading to the left side. They have a little sit down area, little lounge. A whole aquarium underground. If you head this way, these are where some of the shops are. Gucci. Walking. Jewelry spot. The famous Atlantis there. Heading into the casino. So in the casino they also have sports booking. You can come in here, place all your sports bets. As I did earlier, I put some bets in. They got the whole little lounge. There's where I'm gonna end up tonight. Games on. casinos. So most of the table games start later in the evening. They do have table games throughout the day, but as you can see, all the tables are filled up. Oh yeah. They got a Nobu inside of the casino. All the table games, they got slots. Bar over there. More table games. So if you exit to the right, that's where all the little shops are, local shops, also a lot of dining. Ferragamo. Versace, Navy Yearman, Rolex, all high-end stores in here. As you can see, Mac. John Bull, Michael Kors. So that's all in a little circle. Pretty dope. They got cigars in here. I don't know what kind because I don't smoke cigars, but for the cigar smoker. Alright, so now we are headed to the west side, which is called the West Tower. I see it. So these are where most of the rooms are, the Royal East, Royal West. We're staying in the Royal West. Trying to catch up to my son. It's a bar, lounge area, little stores inside. More of the bar. People getting drunk. Another little spot. This is a restaurant back here. Hey, come on. Come on. These are the Royal East. We're staying in the West. Come on, boy. You gotta keep going. This way. Slow down, slow down. Come on. It's a little store. I got you. Come on.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ooh, it's hot out here. Slow down. So you do have to walk outside to reach the Royal West Towers. This is also where the Kids Adventures is, Fitness Center, Dolphin Cave, the Cove, the Reef. Those are the different hotels, the Cove and the Reef. Yeah.
Come on, y'all. Y'all want to go to the arcade real quick?
Arcade's closed. It's closed.
Closed?
It closed at 8.
Oh.
So this is the kid part. So we plan on bringing the kids back here tomorrow. The arcade is unfortunately closed. Alright. Heading into the West Tower. Like I said, this is where we're staying. Yeah.
Okay guys, so we're going inside our hotel because it's been...
Oh, the black cat.
Don't take it in.
No, you can. It's scared, but it's too dark.
Come on.
Come on, baby. We did, but in the nighttime they can't do it.
Oh, Royal West Tower. This is where we are staying.
Yeah. Go press the button, my people. Open it. It's open. Well. Okay.
Can I get my toes out?
Yeah. Wow. Look at that.
Open it, Mom.
Ooh.
Open it. I want to see what things in
Oh,
there.
here. Be careful. It might be a little bit
Complicating.
Look at that. We made it before sundown. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh.